Hello friends, if you are planning for the Aged 900 examination, then this is a 5 tips useful for you for the passing Microsoft Azure Aged 900 examination. I just prepare in 15 days and clear the certification. So end of the session, I will provide you all the reference link that I use. So tip number 1, use Microsoft exam skill outline and syllabus for the understanding Aged 900 examination. So the tip number 2, use Microsoft Learn platform for the understanding the cloud concept. Tip number 3, online practice assessment test from the Microsoft and Udemy platform. So tip number 4, refer exam dump and YouTube tutorial for the understanding the exam pattern and the question structure. Tip number 5, plan exam timeline and apply the right strategy for the preparation part.